Here's how you can set up Google Analytics on Shopify. Start by tapping on Add App button and scroll all the way until you see Shopify App Store, and this will take you to their official App Store where you just have to search for Google, or you can also directly search for Google Analytics, but the best way is to go for the official Google and YouTube, which is this developer Google LLC, and tap on install. After tapping on install, this will take you to the agreement section where you just have to agree and tap on add sales channel on the top right. After you have added Google and YouTube app to your Shopify store, you just have to refresh this, and this will how it will looks like. So after that, tap on connect Google account, and you just have to continue with anyone of your account. So after that, you just have to scroll down and you can select any one of these. So for now we have to go for this one, create an online store, or you can also go with any one of these, but the option that we are looking for is this, looking only to set up Google Analytics. So that's what we are also looking for. So simply tap on get started. After that, this is how it will looks like. So you just have to create a new property, or if you have an existing one, you can simply connect your property of your Google Analytics here. So simply tap on create new property for me. So after that, you can read all of these articles how to set up a new property of your Google Analytics. So after that, you just have to put that particular property, and if that Gmail account is registered on the same Google Analytics, this will automatically register that particular property and will automatically put that property in this particular block. So after that, you just have to continue and you're good to go. Hope this helped. This is how to set up Google Analytics on your Shopify.